Hi everyone, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm visiting my friends here at Magix UK. No, I'm not getting my car wrapped yet, but I've in fact been invited up here to check out something which they are wrapping at the moment, which is extremely special. But before we get into the video, I would just like to say I'm suffering with a horrendous case of man flu at the moment, so please do excuse that. I'm going to get out the cold and go check out this car. Now this undoubtedly is one of very few LaFerraris in the world that has been wrapped. Obviously it's not complete, it's only about half done at the moment. See the main colour, matte blue along with gloss silver. So you've got kind of a mixture of gloss and satin. Now this car as standard has a gloss black roof, so that ties in quite well. I actually really like the contrast from gloss to satin, but the FXXK style wheels in silver look amazing. Moving around to the back, we've also got, interestingly, a matte black rear section, again from factory, so we've got that contrast again. But it's actually really cool to see the process of wrapping, because you have to take bits apart such as the rear lights, and it's actually really cool to see just the progress of the car taking shape.
Right, so what we're doing is we're wrapping the whole car in the matte blue with the gloss silver variation. Come around the front lip, there's going to be a piece that goes in here on the gloss silver, so that runs right the way down from the bonnet all the way through.
Almost like a stripe, I suppose, isn't it? And through the centre.
With a blue piece in there just to break the front lip up, and then the silver goes all the way through. And around the side we're doing it, so the side skirts stay in the gloss silver, and then obviously the doors, the rear quarters all are in the matte blue. But then that goes nicely with the silver wheels, so it all kind of ties in nicely. When you come to the back of the car, obviously you can have the rear quarters in the matte blue with the rear bumper. However, the electric spoiler that comes up at active speed is going to be wrapped in the matte blue with the silver here, so it'll be a little bit
nice
against the black. Yeah, and leaving the black as it is on the top of the vehicle, and everything else as it is.
It's got to look wicked.
Yeah, it'll look very cool.
So some progress has been made. The front end is now complete. We can get an idea of these two colours together. I absolutely love that central stripe in the gloss silver. It almost looks like an FXXK, and actually a funny story with this car. It's had a wrap previously, but there was kind of just some livery. I'll overlay a picture of it now. I think I saw it at the Goodwood Festival of Speed recently. Basically it had the Bianco Fuji paint and it just had red FXXK style livery on it. But yeah, progress is being made. It's actually really strange to see it kind of half and half, but yeah, like I said earlier, this thing is going to look absolutely nuts when it's complete.
I forgot to mention previously that we've done a full 3-stage paint correction detail on this vehicle, and then we fully PPF the car, paint protection film, giving it the most protection it possibly can when it goes on the road against stone chips, bug marks, everything like that. So we also then put a red FXX livery all over the car, as you've probably seen from the photos. So that went on the kind of the rear quarters, all around the car, the pinstripes down the bottom of the vehicle, like the front bumper and the bonnet and the wings, etc. So we decided to take that off. The customer now wants a full wrap, and that's why he's decided to go for the matte blue and the gloss silver. So
it's certainly a bold choice. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. I mean, like I said earlier on in the video, it's pretty rare to see a wrapped LaFerrari, especially in matte blue. I'm not the only one, but I had no idea just how time consuming and fiddly it is to wrap a car, especially a LaFerrari. I mean, just some of the lines on this car, it just makes it so difficult to wrap. But anyway, some progress has been made, even though this angle probably doesn't show it best. The front end is now complete, looking amazing. But one thing I have noticed is the matte blue is actually really tricky to kind of show on camera. It's a really subtle, dark matte blue, but it does go really well in contrast with the gloss silver. But anyway, I think that's all we've got time for in today's video. Obviously this is not a one-day job, it probably takes about a week. But it's been really cool to see kind of the process of wrapping a car, especially something as special as this. A big thank you goes to the guys here at Magix UK for kind of inviting me up here to come check this out. I'll leave their Instagram link in the description so you can see some more pictures of the process of this and also the finished product. So make sure you go follow them if you haven't already. Anyway, that is it for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.